Hello guys and welcome back. So I think we're pretty much done with the environment. Then next week we're going to create this block that uses a lot of different techniques, and if there is any geometry that you have in mind that you can utilize this technique, I highly encourage you to start creating that now to save some time. And it's very important to practice. If you're completely new to this, it's totally okay to go and recreate the same exact examples that I did, and I will be sharing these details and a link for the various books. Actually, these are very famous books about Gothic architecture that are scanned from museums, and I was able to find them for free. Actually, they are all for free to grab, and I'm going to share all the links. There is a lot more material and a lot of artistic references, and what I encourage you guys is to take a look at what I'm going to provide and see these books and pretty much anything that you see at this point. We're going to do some more of this next week. We still have a lot of new techniques to discover, but I think by looking at this, you will definitely start thinking about how you can approach them and how you can create them. One thing I'd say, everything you look at, try to minimize it into its smallest block. So for example, this pattern here, you can see it's only a quarter, and then even the quarter itself is split in two. So if you manage to build this fragment, you can mirror it along this axis and then mirror it here and then do a mirror, and you will have this. Same thing here, it's only this fragment that you have to worry about, and then it's flipped, or this fragment here, and then everything else is a copy of that. So there's a lot of copying, there's a lot of mirroring. This is a very cool design as well, and I think it's very easy to achieve, so definitely try to do some of that. You can see all the profiles are described in these books, which is very, very, very helpful. There's also a lot of layout, a lot of architectural information that I think will be very helpful for you guys to find proportions and things like that. Here I was doing things on the fly, just eyeballing it because I know how it should look like, but I think you guys should spend more time and look at all this stuff more carefully. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.